layers. It's time to lose these naysayers. We're better off, the air will be richer.
Excited?
Yeah.
And everything's so much
I think it's tape on it.
Huh?
I think it's tape on it.
Go put a shirt on. Alright, guys. Gotta get up. What do you guys think it is?
I think it's a mattress.
What do you think it is, Jada?
I think it's a toy and it's a big toy.
You think it's a big toy?
Yeah, for us to play with.
Huh?
I think it's too big.
Yeah?
It's too big to hold. It was outside. Mama, touch my muscles.
Ooh,
I did some exercise.
I see. Whoa. Oh my God.
We got big muscles.
I see.
And this box is too heavy to pick up.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Some pieces.
Pieces. Whoa, look at Daddy's stuff.
Is that stuff?
Yeah, we got a black thing. Whoa, it's too big. It
This
gets,
is the base.
yeah. And look at this, Mommy. This is so cool.
Alright, we gotta move this up like this on the side.
I thought it was a mattress.
So,
It's too big.
I'm guessing this is the base for the light. This is a light, guys. See the big ring right here? It's called a ring light. And it helps Mommy make videos and they look better on the camera. Okay?
What about our lights?
It's gonna help you out too. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, so I guess this is the base part of
Mommy, we
it.
got something else in here.
And to make, you know, the stand, I guess. And then this, it comes in this, ooh, it's heavy. But it comes in this little
Heavy thing.
thing, which is good.
Let's see what's inside.
It's safely secure, believe me.
Yeah.
Okay, push that other stuff away. Alright, so I'm guessing, let's do this part.
Ooh.
This is the, no, let me do it. This is the light itself. And I'm guessing that I have to put the things on the side of it.
Yep, I'm gonna open
No, it's my first time ever getting any type of ring light. I do have some box lights.
Yeah, you got a
Super
box
easy
and
to put
everybody
together.
get it. Oh, it's too heavy.
I feel like there's something else in here, but I'm not sure. Oh, it's just, it has like padding in the inside.
You
There's
gotta
nothing else in
do the wheel. And we got this a box.
No, there's nothing else in there. And then this box, oops, let's screw it down. Alright, so
Buddy.
you gotta take this out, I guess. And
Whoa.
these are the lights. These are the lights that go around it. So I'm gonna try to put this together and see how
That's it.
everything works out. Oh, it does come with a manual and a little card thing.
Whoa! And Mommy,
card thing.
it made with this.
Yeah, so it comes with all this instructions, which I need because I'm not
Yeah, well,
at all
mine
savvy.
is
So stay tuned.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now.
part for me, and that was installing the soft tube. The instructions was not clear on this part. Like, I read it over and over, and I just tried different ways to figure it out. I even tried to like reassemble it a different way than what the instructions said, and it just wasn't working. So I decided to go on YouTube and watch a tutorial on how to set it up, and it worked. So thank God for YouTube, right?
When I'm in this town, look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
Guys, as you can tell, I was just over and just it was just too much. I just was like, you know what, I just need a break to figure this all out, you know. So and that's what I did. I just took a little break, and I wanted to show you guys my cup that I got from Marshall's. It has my name on it, so that's that. But anyways, back to the video. That's where you put the soft tube at, in that little spot right there on the light itself. It does not say that in the instructions. I just thank God for YouTube, like I said before. Without it, I wouldn't have known. The instructions just was useless. But when I did read the instructions again, at the bottom in fine print, it said that the instructions are just for like accessories. So like the different accessories, because I didn't have a mirror or anything that came with mine, but I did have those shields and the color guard shields that came with mine. So I just wanted to use the regular shields for the purpose of the video and the purpose of my video that I was filming that same day. But guys, I love it already, and I've been using it, so go get you one. That's the only part that was kind of frustrating to do, with that little soft tube, but I figured it out, and it works like a charm now. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, and I will see you guys on the next one. If you hadn't been here before, check out our playlist, and we'll see you next time.